Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 30-inch clock. Now this is a really nice steampunk kind of a looking clock with the moving gears as kind of the center focal point here. This thing is massive, you guys, 30 inches. This comes in 3 different sizes. This is the big Chiba. This is the big one. You can hang it on the wall if you want to, or you can even just set it up on a display. But this thing is nice. It's made of solid walnut on this one as far as the wood. You can hang it up here. They provide you with the hardware, and it's got a nice anchor hook there. Simple operation, 3 AA batteries not included, but they go in there. You set your time with the dial, and you are good to go. Metal around the inside there as well, and this glass that's on this is kind of an anti-glare glass. Is a really nice piece of glass that's on the front of that, which is really nice. Nice riveting on this. I mean, I'm loving the fact, the detail of all of the intricacy that was put into this with the black, the metal, the iron, the wood. All of the tick marks and everything inside, including the numbers themselves, are actually wood. So it's wood and metal. Almost looks like a giant pocket watch, but it would make a really nice display in a room or a business if you're wanting to do that. 3 different sizes and 2 different variations of wood. This again is the walnut, but you also have the choice of the lighter colored oak. Would make a great addition to anybody's home.